Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing a super cute kid fashion review video. We ordered 7 adorable t-shirts online. 5 for our 5-year-old princess and 2 for our 2-year-old champ. In this video, we will do unboxing, fabric check, fitting review, comfort test and tell you if it's worth buying or not. So keep watching till the end. The colors already look very bright and attractive from outside. First, let's check the girl's t-shirt. This one is for our 5-year-old daughter. Look at the beautiful color. The print is so cute and vibrant. The material feels soft and comfortable. Very important for kids because their skin is sensitive. It looks like breathable cotton fabric which is good for daily wear and summer weather. The stitching also looks pretty neat, no loose threads so far. Sometimes online clothes look good in pictures but feel cheap in real life. But honestly, these feel surprisingly nice for the price. This one is also a very beautiful blue color. You can say sky blue color with cartoon character. Can you say the cartoon character name? Write in comment box. Now we will open another t-shirt. It's also for our princess. Let's open it. I have 2 more left. This one is dark blue color. Its fabric is also very good. Very nice cartoon character. No extra threads. Very beautiful fabric. Very soft cotton fabric. Last one is black. This one is also very good. It has space written. Welcome to space. I think my princess will love all the t-shirts because they are so cute and adorable. So comfortable fabric, I think. So let's open 2-year-old little champ t-shirt. This one is sleeveless, red color. Its fabric is also very good. Spider power written in it. I think you will also love it. Kids usually love dark colors. So let's open another one. It has no pant piece. Oh, I found another one for our little princess. This one is purple and drawn Mickey Mouse in body. I love all the t-shirts. So now I think only one left. That one is our little champ's t-shirt with pant piece. So now let's open that. So you can see it's a dark color. I think dark brown. Please comment if I'm wrong. So it's a smiley written happy. Its fabric is, I think, very good. It has also a pant piece available with it. I think my kids will love all the t-shirts because they are so beautiful, so adorable, and fabric is so much good. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this cute little family review, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to our channel and tell us which t-shirt did you like more.